Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to troubleshoot the error FE on your LG fridge. Now the FE error on an LG refrigerator basically indicates a problem with the ice maker fan. Okay, so this usually means that the fan motor is locked due to ice or frost buildup. So what you can try doing actually is unplugging the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and you can do that to reset it or defrost the freezer and fan motor manually. Now, if the issue still persists, guys, look, a service technician may be needed to replace the fan motor. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.